Hey guys, so I decided to bring my lunch home, and it is the Rudy's barbecue. You can see I made a video on it, but I couldn't eat there because it's too loud. Normally, the restaurants, they have the music playing and then you get copyright. So, and you got people walking behind you and everything, so it's Rudy's barbecue. I started a video on it, but I couldn't finish the tape. So here's the actual food from Rudy's. It's the supposedly the next best thing, or is real Texas barbecue. So I'm gonna open it up upside down. I got a baked potato with it as well. See if I can take all this paper away. So that's the baked potato upside down, darn it. I just got sour cream on mine, minus the cheese and butter. Then let's look at the, hope that's open. I got the chicken, barbecue chicken, and I like that before. Get me some napkins. You didn't give me no napkins. And then I don't know if you remember, but on my last, it was a breakfast talk. So now this is a late lunch talk. I talked to you guys, told you about the green machine that I really liked. So here it is, versus that other green stuff that I got from Costco, which I still haven't even finished using yet because it's like so yucky. But I told you that powder, that energy powder, I put in it and it makes it be bearable to drink. So this is the green machine. I love it. It comes in several different flavors, but this is mine, the green one. There's a strawberry and banana. I like that one too. I got that. I have that in the refrigerator. But let's dive into Rudy's. Have you guys ever had Rudy's before? Looks good. Like I said, I brought my food home today because it's quiet. And nobody walking behind you looking at what you're doing at the videos and stuff. And I don't want to get copywritten for the music. But a baked potato is a baked potato, right? How can you screw up a baked potato? Let's see this chicken. Pretty soft, moist. Tastes good, nice and soft. I'm getting my protein in. And this is the breast part of it, so it is also moist. You know, normally you can have like breast, that's the driest part of the chicken. Well, this is not dry, as you can see. Has flavor all the way through. You can actually taste the barbecue. They use those big smoke barbecues outside, you know. Yeah, normally I don't fancy breast part of the chicken because it's dry, but this is moist. Very moist. Like I said, the baked potato, you can't mess up baked potato, so that's good. This is a whole lot of food for me. So I'm probably not going to eat it all, but what are you guys having for lunch? Or what did you have for lunch? Because it's pretty late now. Here, it's 3 o'clock. But just wanted to give a shout out to Rudy's Barbecue. I spoke to a couple customers there. One guy traveled in all the way from Tucson. He said he's picking it up so he can have it for dinner when he gets back home to Tucson. But I've had my coworkers come in from Texas, and they actually end up at Rudy's for the barbecue because they heard that it's same as their Texas barbecue that they're used to. Texas barbecue, it's hands down, Texas barbecue is the best, right? And they say that it tastes just like their Texas barbecue at home. So that's where they drive so far when they come here to work. Because it's like a 45-minute drive from where we work to come here in town to Chandler to enjoy Rudy's barbecue. So, I mean, that is some kudos for them, right? Authentic Texas barbecue. There you have it. Thank you, guys. Thank you for watching.